SA government warns foreign intelligence, obey laws or face counterintelligence action. Nou kyk nou hier. You need to have a form of intelligence to have counterintelligence. The ANC doesn't like facts. Counterintelligence is what the ANC does. It's called propaganda. Where exactly will that counterintelligence come from? Hier is iemand boa, hier is April Fools. Ja, nee. Kyk. Sy maak 'n gat van haarself. It looks intelligent. Ja, nee. Kyk, which intelligence? Intelligence, you shouldn't appear in the same sentence. Hilarious. Okay, counterintelligence. Ons het Ramaphosa met sy geld op sy pala bank. Ah, ai, ai, ai. Ja, kyk, kyk. Some intelligence agency whose spies went missing. And iemand says, well, you can't make this shit up. What intelligence reports been looted by the cadres? What army will defend us? 30% of it for duty. You a proper dumbass. Kijk nou hier. Counterintelligence. Ja, nee. Uh, the same minister who decapitated and weakened South African intelligence agencies before a pivotal moment election so that the country is virtually defenseless against electoral manipulation. Ja, nee. Dis dis erg hoor. Wat 'n counterintelligence praat sy van? Oh my goodness. I noticed China, Russia, and USA covered in the boots. Is iemand what intelligence? As is a corpse in a mortuary. She's better off with her mouth shut and spewing garbage. Ne? Oxymoron I've ever heard. Seker my best oxymoron I've ever heard. Oh goodness. Ja, nee. Kyk, sy is die laughing stock van die land. Ah. South Africa, that fourth world toilet, those black things can't do shit. Intelligence is an ANC fantasy. Ja, nee. Ja, nee. Ja. Ja, kyk hoor. Hulle dink hulle kan die FSA aanvat. Maar ja. Dis snaaks. Maar ek hou van die comments. Dit maak, dit maak nog as die post goed. Hier raak dit nou baie snaaks. Oh, oh my goodness. Ja, nee. Ja, kyk hoor, ons kyk die comments. Die comments is vir my baie lekker om te kyk. Counterintelligence. Ja, nee. Mara Tembisa Hospital looters break the law every day. Ja. The snacks. Oh, goodness me. Oh, goodness. Ah, ja, nee. Ah, de snacks. Kijk, ik denk dat ik het genoeg geweest. Ah, jullie met een lange dag, hè.